Hello students, today we are constructing angles of 70 and 80. First of all, I have drawn one ray OA. From O as a center with a convenient radius, we will draw a semicircle. We will draw a semicircle taking O as a center with a convenient radius without changing the radius. From this point where it is cutting on ray OA, I will make one arc without changing the radius, this point. If I am going to produce a ray joining O and this point, then I will get an angle of 60. Without changing the radius, I am cutting another arc. If I am going to produce a ray joining this point like this, I am getting an angle of 120. Now I am producing 90 degree first. Without changing the radius from this point, we will make an arc like this. From this arc that is of 120, we will make another arc that will cut the previous arc. Now I am joining this intersecting point and this O. I am getting angle of 90. This is angle of 90. If I am producing from this arc that is of 60, and from this I am getting 120. Now without changing the previous radius, mark these points, this as these points and this point. Okay, without changing the radius from this point, they are the intersecting point of 90. Make one arc to inside 90, inside this angle, from this way inside, mark a arc. Now measure this length of semicircle, this point, and from this point of 60 you cut this. Now we will get this point as 70. If I am joining this, we will get an angle of 70. This is we are getting angle of 70, means this angle, this is BOA, this angle BOA is of 70 degree. Now this is 90 and this is 70. If I am going to bisect this length, then we will get angle of 80 degree. We have to bisect this length. Okay, now for bisection we have the rule to take, we have to take the more than half of this. I am taking from this point, I am taking one arc like this, and from this point I am taking another arc, this is the intersecting point. Now I am producing a ray joining this intersecting point. This will be of 80 degree. This point, producing a ray, this is of 80 degree, take it as C. So angle COA will be of 80 degree. I am showing with this protractor also. C, this is 90 and this is exactly B is of 70 and this COA is of exactly 80 degree.